Hi, Mr. Novak here. Welcome to video on quadratics part 2 using our very powerful calculator. If you don't recognize that now, I hope you will over the next couple of weeks when we do this topic. So I'll just do one more example. So we'll do another function. I'll call this function f2. It's a typical way people like to do that in methods with respect to the variable x. Jump out of that, and we use that special button to define. We're going to do several things. This time we're going to use 2x squared minus 12x minus 3. And already I can see the y-intercept. Can you see the y-intercept? Oh, by the way, let's see if that what happens now. So, yes, the y-intercept when x equals 0. When I substitute that with 0, all I have to do is go bars. And that's right, it saved the previous one. So we just want F2. So scroll down, press enter. We want it for x equal to 0. Press enter, and there's our y-intercept. Now, x-intercept, of course, is when y equals 0, or when that function is equal to 0, we need to solve. So that's menu. 3 for algebra, and you can see solve is at 1. So you've got it in your summary book, all these buttons, but you practice and you'll remember we use the menu. Again, we're going to do vars, function 2, cursor down, press enter, x, go across. Remember, most of them do require you to go with respect to x. I forgot that I need to make it equal to 0. That's a common mistake. So that's why you have it in your summary book, just in case. And this is why I chose this example. Remember, in calculator page, you will get the exact form. All right, if it's a surd, it will leave it in surd. You go to graph page, you'll only get decimals. And that's why if the question asks for exact form, you need to come to this page. The only thing we need now is the turning point, and for that we complete the squares. So it's menu, again, algebra. Can't remember. Oh, there it is, number 5. The function, which is function 2, press down, press enter, with respect to x. Again, it needs comma x, press enter, and there you can see the x coordinate is for that to become 0, x must be positive 3. So it's got to be positive 3 minus 21. And the only other things that you might want to try is the menu 3, and that was poly. More information on the polynomial, and that is the coefficients 7. Again, vars, cursor down. I think this one here you only have to put in the x. You don't need the comma x, and that's pretty straightforward. 2, -12, -3. However, you will find in some of the examples on the last page of the PowerPoint that it's not in this form. It might be in factorized form or in this complete the square form. So you can see here, you can't see the ABC here. The other one was poly degree, and also 0. I'll do the 0 one. Menu 3. Remember, 0 is option number 4. Vars, cursor down, press enter. Again, x, and I do know it does need comma x. Press enter. And there it is. Remember, it's in curly notation. This is not coordinates. This is curly notation identifying in this case, the domain, or in this case, the two x-intercepts. So that's using calculator page. As you see, the advantage is exact form. Let's go to the graph page. And it usually jumps straight to the next blank one, but we want to go up to, now there's F1 still there, but we're going to jump to F2, press enter. And remember, oh, can't see all of it. Now, when you get back to school, we'll be able to upgrade your calculator so you don't have to go to Windows setting. You can just double click here, try something like maybe -30, press in tab, and yes, you can see it. You can actually maybe see it's gone to the negative side of the x-axis. You might change that to -2. And there you have the graph in question. So remember the key points are menu, 5, sorry, try again, menu, 5, 1, and then just scroll left and right until you get to a key point. Press enter, and the coordinates of that point is left behind. Going to the next one. Oop, come back. Press enter. There's our y-intercept. Keep going to find that x-intercept. And then go across to the other side. Oops. Press enter. Now escape. Don't try and move them yet. Press escape. We can now maneuver those around so they're neatly set aside. So there's our. Just move that one across. And here's what I mean by the calculator page being different. That way, calculator page exact form. In graph page, you only get the decimal form. So the square root of 46 minus is obviously one of these values. The other thing you might show is the axis of symmetry, which is exactly the same x value as the turning point. Again, this wasn't done well by students in class when we were doing the linear, escape. I want menu, graph, that's 3. I want 3 for templates, 1 for linear, and 2 for vertical lines. Remember, a vertical line is parallel with the y-axis. And there it is, a very powerful tool for analyzing quadratics. And hopefully that will mean you'll be very successful doing this topic, especially in the tech able. And with lots of practice, you'll be able to easily transfer this to the non-tech able, that's tech free, because you understand the process. Have a good one.